Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the battery is truly dead. Lights off, no crank, or a multimeter reading near 012V. Put on gloves and safety glasses to protect against sparks. Next, retrieve jumper cables or a portable jump starter and the car manual so you know battery location. Use the fob's manual key or trunk release to access the trunk if needed, then find and release the hood latch, lift, and prop the hood so you can see the battery and terminal covers. You now arrange the donor car or portable starter. Park close but not touching and engage both parking brakes. Remove metal rings or watches to avoid shorts. Connect red clamp to the Sonata's positive plus terminal, then red to donor positive. Attach black to donor negative, and the final black to an unpainted metal ground on the Sonata away from the battery. This minimizes spark risk. Start the donor engine for 2 to 5 minutes, or power the portable unit, and then You finish by removing cables in the exact reverse order to prevent sparks. First the black ground on your car, then donor negative, then donor positive, and finally your positive terminal. Make sure clamps don't touch each other or metal while removing. Let the Sonata idle for 10-20 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery before turning off. If the car won't start again, verify battery terminals are clean and tight. Check major fuses and starter connections, and call roadside service if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.